days where my hair just looks randomly so much darker than usual. And I'm not even mad about it. It's like a real fall Maine situation. Ready for the day. We're going food shopping, and then I think I'm gonna take Sky to the park to play and collect some leaves for like a project or to decorate an altar. I don't know. We'll see. You're making a fire? Look at all these leaves we got. You want some? Some highlights from what we got at the store. I got some more bread flour, which I needed, and some pumpkin seeds. I want to use these when I make some samhain sourdough later this week. No hose today, okay? They're so good. This rosemary. I wanted to make kind of like a rosemary butter to eat with the pumpkin seed sourdough. And I've never seen this brand before. And it's apparently made from coconut oil and almond milk. It smells buttery. Let's just give it a little taste. Mmm. Whoa, that is so good. Whoa. That is good. That is like really flavorful. Big recommend for Kite Hill plant-based European style butter. Not sponsored, just on sale. Like, is there anything better than the smell of fresh herbs? Like rosemary just smells so festive to me. It smells like Christmas, smells like Thanksgiving. Rosemary symbolizes remembrance, and it's used this time of year on altars and in baked goods and as decorations to like help with the remembering of ancestors and loved ones that have passed. And apparently they used to make like laurels or crowns of rosemary in ancient Rome and give them to the scholars to help them remember their studies. And look, this one has some flowers on it. Some really teeny little purple flowers. Isn't they pretty? So nice. On this rainy Friday night, I taught a Samhain-inspired yoga and meditation class through my Patreon. Samhain is a Gaelic word that looks like this, but it's pronounced like this. Samhain is an ancient Celtic spiritual tradition observing the halfway mark between the autumnal equinox and the winter solstice. Timing-wise, it coincides with Halloween. Long ago, this was considered the beginning of winter and when the veil between the worlds was thinnest. It was the final harvest and a time to remember death and to honor ancestors. Traditional altar elements include family tokens as well as symbols of the season like dried leaves and acorns.
Remember, you can use some fresh sprigs of rosemary to encourage remembrance as well. You can also make offerings of food and drink that your ancestors would have enjoyed. Yoga is the way I center and relax before meditation and rituals. So this was an especially stretchy and soothing practice. We also did a little to stoke the inner fire. I love to teach these special classes to help others connect with seasonal rhythms and old ways. Personally, following and celebrating major points on the wheel of the year helps me to live more intentionally, in deeper harmony, and to always keep the earth in mind.
Just picked the last tomato of the season. Smells good.
It's a little bit bad, but
Let's just do a little
yep.
slidey. I'm doing a little lift. Where's the doorbell? We both said it.
Thank you.
Set a bread timer for 25 minutes. Not bad. I have just made this vegan herbal infused butter, and I'm going to spread a little bit on my sourdough. Let it cool for a second. Homemade pumpkin seed sourdough with some rosemary infused vegan butter. It's something special. It's so savory, it's so fragrant. It's amazing. Perfect snack. So you can infuse any butter with herbs. It doesn't have to be melted, just soft. Make sure your herbs are well washed and chop them up really fine, and then just sort of like mash and blend them into the butter. And it is so special. It's definitely like a holiday thing. Also the perfect way to end this Halloween Samhain weekend. As the holidays come, or if you're ever just feeling in the mood to mix things up, just chop up your favorite herb into your favorite butter, or you can even infuse it into olive oil, drizzle it on a nice crusty piece of bread, and it smells so good. Thank you so much for watching today. I love you, I appreciate you, and I will see you in another one soon.